Today I was scrolling on Amazon and something just blown up my mind. I saw this wonky donkey ebook. This book has over 80,000 ratings and selling for $5. The author of this book is probably making over $420,000 from this single book. This book has 30,000 ratings and selling for $7. This single ebook is making over $210,000. Today in this video we will see how to make a similar ebook for completely free that will generate passive income over $100,000. So let's get started. We will move ahead to ChatGPT and ask him to give attractive story ideas for kids. We got our results. I found this one interesting: the time-traveling adventures of Alex and Amelia. We will select this one and ask him to give story outline for this topic. ChatGPT gave us chapters. We will ask him to specify first chapter for us. We got our chapter 1 in detail. Now we will need illustrations to make our storybook look attractive for kids, and we will generate image prompts from ChatGPT. Now we will move ahead to create our illustrations. If you have Mid-Journey paid subscription, you can use it to create illustrations, but in this video, I will show you to do it all for free. We are using Playground AI for this work. It generates free art, and it does not require you to join any Discord or to download any app. Simply search for Playground AI. I created a detailed video on this AI. You can watch it on the channel. Click on this Create option on top right corner. We will copy-paste the prompt that we recently generated from ChatGPT. Then it will generate the images that we want. We will download this and follow the same process. Copy prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Generate images and download. Let's move to Canva to complete our storybook. Click on the YouTube thumbnail option and upload our recently downloaded illustrations from Playground AI. We will copy our chapter generated by GPT. Take this uploaded image on this white screen and adjust the size, and then paste our chapter there. Check the font style and size. Adjust the transparency of background. We will give effects to our font to look more attractive for kids. And that's how we created our first page for story. You can make 10 times better than this. I am just showing an example. We will add a page, and like this we can create pages we have in our story. We are creating our second page. Repeat the same process again and create the attractive pages. Copy script from ChatGPT and paste it in Canva, and the size of the image, look for better font, text, color, and make it more attractive you can. We created this. You can make it way more attractive than this. If you want the second part of this video, let me know in the comments.